AllyCats, welcome back to my channel. This is a little introduction from the future. I'm coming from the future because past Alyssa is dumb and never mentioned what this video is really about. It's a part of a collab. My first YouTube collab, and I'm so excited about it. I can't, how did I not mention it in the video? Like, oh my god, dumb. Anyways, I'm participating in a spring/Easter collab sponsored by KendyJane Beauty and Through My Eyes Beauty by Jamie Jarrozzy. I hope I'm saying that right. In this collab, we're featuring an eye look. There are 3 categories, so there's beginner, intermediate, and makeup artist/professional. I'm in the professional makeup artist category. So please, at the end of this video, vote for me! Vote for me on KendyJane Beauty's page. I'm gonna link it down below, so you can just click on that link, go to it, vote for me if you like me, and if you like it, you know. Honestly, like, watch everyone's videos. Like, all of these people that I'm collabing with are so talented. I haven't seen their looks, obviously, yet, so, like, I'm super excited to see everyone's looks. Let's just get into this video. Hi guys! Welcome back, AllyCats! Thank you for coming back, and if you are new, become an AllyCat. Subscribe. AllyCat. Like this video, share it with your friends and family so they can become AllyCats too. So today's video is inspired by Alice in Wonderland's The White Rabbit, and I'm doing it for Easter. I don't want to ramble too much. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and do one eye off camera so I can figure out what the hell I'm doing. And I'm going to be right back. I look so creepy in these contacts. Ugh. So my eyes are already primed with Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. So first we're going to be going into the Jeffree Star x Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. And we're going to be starting off with the shade Pigment. Using a Royal and Langnickel brush. This is the BMX 430 crease brush. We're going to be packing this on and really blowing it out, completely blowing it out to the hairline. I'm really packing this up underneath the lash line as well. And I am leaving a little bit of a space in the inner corner area. I want that to be a little brighter than everything else, so I'm just going to leave that bare. Next we're going to be going into the shade Flaming Hot. I'm using this really old Anastasia brush that came in a palette. It's just like a rounded crease brush. And we're taking that up underneath the eye, keeping it more toward the outer corner. Keeping it again more toward the outer corner, going up into the crease as well. And we're going to start building up definition in the outer corner in more of a triangular shape. I'm going to grab a smaller bullet brush to define my upper crease as I go in toward the inner corner of my eye. This one is from Royal and Langnickel. It's the BMX 420 detail brush. Now I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to be blending this out. I'm using the help of the shade My Pills to blend it out. And I'm really just blending out this outer corner area. I want that to be really soft and diffused. Next we're going to be going into the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. And we're going to be using the shade Cold Snap. It's this beautiful icy blue. To apply it, I'm going to be using this brush that has no name because it's rubbed off, but it's a flat synthetic brush. Taking that into your inner corner and the inner third of the lid. Almost like you're creating a cut crease, but you're not. It's like the Lazy Girls cut crease. Taking that about halfway up underneath the eye as well. Now we're going to be going into the shade Euphoria with the same brush, picking up a good amount of product here and going back over that inner corner and over everything that you just did. Now we're going to be going into the iconic London palette. This is the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And we're going to be using Merlot Mondays. With this, I'm going to tap over everywhere that I placed Flaming Hot to blend that in with the first shade, Pigment. Okay, now for the white eyeliner, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Paint Pot in white and this fine liner brush. This is actually a paintbrush that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's called the Fine Touch. I really like it for eyeliner though. So going in the inner corner, we're going to really extend the inner corner and make a point and bring that up. And we're going all the way across the lash line. So right now I'm creating a wing. This is a wing that I just do typically. I have a video on how I do my winged eyeliner, so check that out. Okay, so that's what I'm starting out with. But then to make it a little more of a punchy white, like something a little more vivid, I'm going to be using the NYX white eyeliner. I'm going over everything that I just did. Okay, so now the eyebrows. So I'm going to be taking a Sephora brow brush, going back into that Wet n Wild white cream, placing that right over top of my eyebrows. Depending on your hair color, you're really going to have to freaking cover these babies. If your hair is really, really dark, you might have to color correct first and then put the white. What I do is just go against my hair growth and really go back all the way through it just to try and coat these hairs. And once I've done that, I'm going to take that NYX white liner again and I'm going to make little hair-like strokes all the way through it. Now I'm going to be going in with the NBA Cosmetics glitter in Zero. I'm not using a glitter glue. I'm literally just going to tap this on with my fingers and it stays beautifully on its own. So I have just a little on my finger and I'm tapping this right up underneath the lash line at the outer corner. Right in the center of the eye. Going up and touching that brow bone all the way up to the arch. What's left on your finger, tap it lightly over the wing, going out all the way up. For now though, let's move on to the face. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Ciate London Marbled Light Blush in Dusk. I like to be really Pacific. I was about to say Pacific, oh my god, throw me away. I like to be really specific with my blush placement, so I use a very small brush. This is the Morphe E46 brush. I'm almost blending this in with the shadow that's all the way up here, but I want the most depth and the darkest, like most pigment down at the actual contour. Okay, we're going to be taking that on the very tip of the nose too. So really kind of like up underneath the nose, and I'm going across the nose too. So right across, taking that on your nostrils as well. And I'm also going to take that in the middle of my, that thing. I'm going to take it right in the center of that. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using Nude Sticks Stick Highlighter in Illuminati. Really packing this baby on. And then right over top of that, we're going to be taking that NBA Cosmetics glitter again and patting right over top of everywhere we just highlighted. Now I'm going to be doing freckles, and I'm going to be doing 2 shades of freckles. I'm going to do white and brown. I'm just using a brown eyeshadow, and the brush I like to use to do this is the Sedona Lace EB19. And then for the white freckles, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Cream Pot in white, the same brush that I used to apply the eyeliner. I'm going to put a few of the freckles up on the eyeshadow too. I want to put a white in my waterline, so I'm going to be using the NYX Faux Whites in Baby Powder. So for the lips, I'm going to start out with Ardell's lip stain, and it's called Go Deep. I'm going to take this right over, pretty much overline my top lip with this. And then going in the center of the bottom lip. I'm going to take that and extend my lips. You can see that shape alone really kind of makes you look bunny-like. So for the rest of my lip, I'm going to be using the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. Then I'm going to be going back over top of that lip stain, and I'm going to be using the NARS lip pencil in Cruella. Now I want my lips to be glossy, so I'm going to put a gloss over top of them. I'm going to use like one of my absolute favorite lip glosses. This is the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss in Love Struck. Okay, now for the lashes. I love whenever I can do white lashes. Like, I just think white lashes look so freaking cool. I'm going to be using these lashes that I got, I think I got these at Dollar Tree. They literally have no name. But the reason why I want to use like these no-name lashes is because I'm going to paint them white, so I'm kind of gonna, you know, like ruin them. I could totally wear this look every day and be happy. Let's finish this look. Let's put some finishing touches and I'm gonna be right back. Hi guys! So this is the finished look. I would absolutely wear this outside. And anyone who knows me in real life knows that I'm not joking. I would totally go out like this. If you're not already an AllyCat, become one. AllyCat. And like this video, share it with your friends and family so they can become AllyCats too. Yeah, so that's it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye! I hope you liked that video. So I'm just back to remind you, please go vote for me in the spring Easter collab that I'm doing with KendyJane Beauty and Through My Eyes Beauty by Jamie Jarrozzy. I have it linked below. Vote for me if you like it, you know. Again, I will be in the professional makeup artist category. Voting will be from April 15th to April 17th. There's a winner in each category, so a beginner category, intermediate, and professional. The winner will be announced on KendyJane Beauty's live program on Monday, April 20th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And also, this is for you guys too. You can win. Each video that you watch, please comment down below the video, and the winner will pick one comment to win a prize also. So say I win, I would look through my comments and then pick a winner from my comment section. So you guys have an opportunity to win too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye!